Hi students. So this is a very important topic, namely electric flux. In order to understand this, we have one concept that is helpful in learning, which is area vector. So the area vector means it is area for a particular surface and it has direction. So that is a new thing that you are learning. Okay, and how it we will see. So this topic is mainly for the convenience sake. So for convenience, we treat area of a surface as a vector, which is denoted by the symbol A over the arrow. Magnitude is area of the surface. So if I say the square of side length A, then the area is A square. Okay, and this will act as magnitude. And what will be the direction? If I say this is the square, then the normal perpendicular to it. Okay, so this is perpendicularly outward will be the direction. So direction is perpendicular to the surface and pointing outward. Okay, and the meaning for electric flux now, electric flux means the number of electric lines crossing, also you can say linked, crossing through the surface. Okay, so here you can see that this is the particular surface, and you can see that electric lines of force, there are 3 electric lines of force crossing it, and the area vector is pointing radially outward. You may ask, why isn't it pointing left? Because it is inward direction. Okay, so outward means it is in this way. There are chances that for a surface it can also point towards left, but it will be outward only. Okay, so that situation we will understand in detail soon. Now also the electric lines of force can be towards left, but still area vector is acting towards right. So in that case, electric field and area vector is anti-parallel. In the previous case, electric field and the area vector are parallel. So therefore, you will see that this is one way. The other way to ask is electric field is perpendicular to the surface of the square. So electric field is pointing in this way. Okay, and the surface is normal to it. So this is electric field and the surface is normal to it. So therefore, in that case, you can see that the angles are properly mentioned. Okay, here electric field is anti-parallel to area vector. There can be an oblique way, that is electric field is making an angle to the area vector. So the area vector is resolved along the direction of electric field, which will give you A cos theta. Okay, good. Here the next case, you see that electric field is lying along the plane of the surface, then area vector is normal to the electric field. So electric field is perpendicular to area vector, or you can say electric field parallel to the surface. Okay, now we will see how to write mathematically this electric flux for an elementary area. So I have chose one spherical surface, then the elementary area is this. Okay, the electric field is radially outward as it is pointing here. Then the area vector for infinitesimal element is dA vector, which is also pointing radially outward. So you can be writing it as, it is defined as the scalar product of area and field denoted by symbol phi. Okay, phi. So for an elementary area, d phi equal to E vector dot dA vector, which is E dA cos theta. Theta is the angle between electric field and area vector. Okay, so in this case theta will be 0 degrees, in this case theta will be 180 degrees. Here theta can vary from 0 to 90. Here theta value is strictly 90 degrees. Okay, then we are going to understand if theta equal to 0, surface area is perpendicular to the electric field. So this is the situation 1. Okay, then if you substitute theta value 0, cos 0 is 1, so therefore you are getting maximum flux EA. If theta equal to 90, this is the second case. Okay, so theta is 90, electric field is perpendicular to area vector, then cos 90 is 0, which will give you minimum flux. The unit of electric flux is voltmeter or Newton Coulomb meter square. There is a sign convention which I have written here. Note, for a closed body, the flux which is coming out is positive because theta is 0. So cos 0 will give you the positive flux. Whereas when the electric field is radially inward to the closed body, you can see that the area vector is pointing opposite, anti-parallel. Theta is 180, so therefore cos 180 is -1. Flux in this case is negative, so negative flux. Okay.